gather together in this company to join together this matrimony institution honored by all, but for not by any, to be entered into lightly or unadvised with the reverently and discreetly. In this state, Nicholas and Young come to join us. You may know to me you desire to be married to each other, and I consider it my duty before I pronounce the words. I will make you husband and wife to remind you after the marriage is performed. The law holds you various obligations and liabilities of married people. Marriage is more than a contract, it's an institution, the maintenance of that institution. The civilization of the world depends. Marriage is the foundation of family and society, without which there would be no civilization. Marriage is the oldest bond of human life, the basis of human progress. Having admonished you the sacredness of the ties you're about to assume, I ask you, Nicholas, to freely and voluntarily take Young to be your lawful wife and engage her, love and cherish her, protect her, and provide for her to the extent of your ability. Treat her at all times with kindness and consideration due from husband to his wife. Cling to her in adversity as well as in prosperity. Will you be a true and faithful husband to her until death shall you part? I ask you, Young, you freely and voluntarily take Nicholas, be your lawful wedded husband, engage to love, cherish, and assist him to the extent of your ability. Treat him with kindness and consideration due from a wife to a husband. Cling to him in adversity as well as in prosperity. Will you be a true and faithful wife to him until death shall you part?
Yes, I do.
These rings are an outward and visible sign, but inward and spiritual grace, signifying to all the uniting of this man and woman in matrimony. Nicholas, if you'll place the ring on Young's finger, and repeat after me. With this ring, I thee wed. And Young, you may place the ring on Nicholas's finger, repeating after me. With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed.
I do what?
The exchange of rings is not an idle ceremony, but has a deep significance. The rings are formed of a noble metal, indicating a noble and pure affection and esteem for each other. The form is round, indicating your mutual love shall never come to an end. The token of a sign you can see every day, reminding you of the obligation you assume toward each other in my presence. Having given me your free and voluntary consent to become husband and wife, it remains only for me to speak the words by which your association shall be formed to your own happiness, providing you're faithful to the promises you made in our presence. Therefore, by virtue of the authority vested in me, the laws of the state of Wisconsin, for these witnesses, I pronounce and declare, husband and wife, you can kiss the bride. Yeah!
Yay. Amen.
Two witnesses. You guys already signed, so just these two guys.
Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin? But I can't help falling in love with you. Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. Take my hand, take a whole life too, but I can't help falling in love with love with you.
Yay!
You guys want to take more pictures?
Here.
You can.
Here,
Till
look.
4:30.
Here, take your camera.
Okay. What did you stop? Oh, you didn't stop. Okay.
It wasn't planned, it wasn't rehearsed.
Yeah, we did a wedding pretty much flying by the seat of our pants, but we did a good job.
You did a good